Welcome to Woo Woo Works. Could the law of assumption be the key to manifesting your dreams faster than ever? When it comes to manifesting your goals, it may seem you're doing everything right, but still nothing seems to be happening. Perhaps you've read The Secret and have been using the law of attraction, yet it's just not working for you. You're not alone. There might be a key piece of the puzzle you're missing. Enter the law of assumption. This rising star in the world of manifestation has been making waves for good reason. It might just hold the power to transform your reality more quickly than you ever imagined. Whether you want a new body, love, or financial abundance, the law of assumption could be the breakthrough you need. Let's first start with answering the question, what is the law of assumption? The law of assumption, championed by Neville Goddard, is based on one simple yet groundbreaking idea. What you assume to be true becomes your truth. Cynical? Consider this. Your brain doesn't distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and real ones. This means that when you immerse yourself living your assumed truth, your mind starts aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions to make it happen. There are 5 main principles to the law of assumption, and they are: First, Goddard believed that imagination is the creative force of the universe. By vividly imagining a desired outcome and feeling it as though it has already happened, you align yourself with that reality. Second, is that what you assume to be true about yourself dictates what you experience in life. Changing your assumptions changes your life. According to Goddard, your opinion of yourself is your most important viewpoint. You are infinitely greater than you think you are. Third is to manifest a desired reality. You must feel the emotions associated with it. Simply thinking about something isn't enough. Deep emotional conviction is key. Fourth is living in the end. What this means is you behave, think, and feel as though your desire is already a wish fulfilled. Goddard is quoted as explaining, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and continue feeling that it is fulfilled until that which you feel objectifies itself. This mental shift allows the reality to materialize in your life. And fifth is having faith in your assumption, regardless of your current circumstances. The law of assumption is not magic. It's all about the power of your mind. And here's the best part. You don't need permission from the universe or anyone else. You are the creator. You are the law. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't this just the law of attraction? Not exactly. While the law of assumption and the law of attraction have similarities, there are several key distinctions. The law of attraction works on the principle of like attracts like. Positive thoughts and vibrations attract positive outcomes. Similarly, when you send out negative thoughts, you attract negative consequences. The law of attraction is also founded on the idea of a higher power, a universal force that decides if your desires align with the greater good. Essentially, when you are using the law of attraction, you are handing your intention over to the universe. The law of assumption, however, removes the universe from the equation. It puts all the power directly in your hands, or rather your imagination. It teaches you that your imagination is your power. There is no higher power outside of you who can determine or deny what you want. If you believe it, you can create it. Period. Other unique features about the law of assumption are that your assumptions are not always true, and that's a powerful realization. It means that you have the power to change your assumptions and to change your reality. What's more, your assumptions aren't fixed. They can change, they can evolve, and they can grow. And as they do, your reality changes. You start to attract different experiences and manifest your desires at a faster rate. So how do you apply this game-changing principle? Let's break it down into 6 actionable steps. At number 1 is to start paying attention to the assumptions you already hold about yourself and the world. Are they serving you or holding you back? Write them down. Awareness is the first step. Number 2 is once you identify your negative assumptions, challenge them. Ask yourself why you hold these beliefs and whether they are based on reality or simply self-limiting beliefs. Then actively work to transform your negative assumptions into positive ones. Number 3 is to take time each day to visualize yourself as the person you want to be. See yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions that come with it: joy, confidence, gratitude. Number 4 is to repeat positive affirmations. These are positive statements that you can repeat to yourself to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. For example, I am able to achieve my goals, or I will find love. The purpose of saying affirmations is to put you into the state of the wish fulfilled. This is why crafting affirmations in the present tense is crucial. This makes your goals feel attainable now, not in some distant future. Say I am instead of I will. This small shift can really expedite results. Number 5 is to act as if. This means you act as if you already have the qualities and characteristics you want to develop. For example, if you want to lose weight, act as if you've already hit your goal. Exercise and feel the confidence of having a new body. By embodying the qualities you want to develop, you can bring them to life. Number 6 is to practice gratitude. Gratitude amplifies the power of the law of assumption by helping you enter the state of wish fulfilled. It is key for bringing abundance and more blessings toward you. Why? Because a focus on your blessings creates more blessings. Now, here's the most important factor to manifesting faster, and it's where most people stumble. Belief. This means you must persist even when the evidence isn't there yet. Why? Because when you truly believe something, you unconsciously align your actions and energy to make it real. Think about it. If you give up, you'll never live your dream life, and you'll always be searching for the next best thing and having to start from scratch. So, is the law of assumption the secret to manifesting faster? It very well could be. If the law of attraction hasn't worked for you or feels too passive, the law of assumption offers an empowering alternative. It reminds you that the power to create your dream life lies within you, not outside of you. However, it's not a competition. Try one or both, or take a bit from one and a bit from the other to see what works best for you. Start today. Begin by shifting one assumption, practicing visualization, or repeating affirmations. Small changes can create a ripple effect that transforms your entire reality. If you're ready to make your manifestation next level, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what worked better for you and other content you'd like to see to help turn your dreams into your destiny. Keep dreaming big and assuming the best. Until next time.